Hey guys, Case with Top Branch. Today we're going to show you how I aim a tree. This is how I do it. So first, I do basically, a lot of times you'll see me in the video and I'll basically hold my saw up here. And what I'm doing is I'm taking this line and I'm pointing it in exactly the direction that I want the tree to go. I'm going to be aiming for this orange stake right there is where I'm going to be going for. So I'm going to do my top cut first to help me get my saw in the position that I want, and then I'm going to do the bottom cut of my face cut, and you'll see how it goes. Once the saw has gone into the tree, come back, look right down your line and see how close it is to your target. And remember, aim small, miss small. Now we do our bottom cut. Keep this angle about 60 to 70 degrees. And a lot of times your bar has a slight curve to it. As you can see when I have it, so the teeth are resting over here, it is not about a 1/4 inch off there, so that will change your sight line. So you try and kind of split the difference a lot of times. Or what you're gonna do is you're gonna come in and when your bottom cut will cut it so that way it's also arced as well, the same as the bar, so that way it's a nice perfect line. But now that I have this open, you can see that this tree is actually on the hollow side. So I'm gonna actually keep your hinge a little bit bigger. So the rule of thumb is about 10% of the diameter. So I'm gonna go for like 1 inch or so on this tree here. Leave this side a little on the thicker side to help to support the tree if there's a little bit of weight towards the shed and a little bit of security basically. So we're gonna do our back cut and the tree's gonna fall right over exactly where we want it to go. Perfect. Little on the hollow side, stay big. You can see when you have fiber pull like this, that means that your hinge was adequate size for holding the tree. This of course is not good if you're felling trees for lumber because this is ruining boards, but we'll get into that later. Well, that's how I do it, guys. If you have any more comments on what you want to see, any suggestions, leave them down below. And remember to like and subscribe so that way you can keep on knowing when the next tip's coming up. Gonna limb this guy up and go to the next one.